Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to use Litematica. Litematica on Minecraft 1.21. Litematica is a powerful schematic mode for Minecraft that lets you plan, preview and build complex structures with incredible accuracy. Firstly, the default hotkey to open the in-game config GUI is M key plus C key. On AZERTY keyboards, the keys differ. For example, M plus C becomes plus C. And if you use Optifine, some settings on Optifine can interfere with schematic rendering. To avoid issues, make these adjustments. Disable render regions, turn shaders off, or disable VBOs in vanilla video settings, and turn off both schematic overlay mode outline and schematic overlay mode sides and visual category. And also disable fast render if you still experience HUD or GUI issues. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Welcome back everyone.